Hello everyone, today I want to show how to edit color shot in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, now go to see my practice at my computer together. Okay, before I go to start menu and then I open Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, please wait. Okay, and then I open a new photo for I edit color. Okay, I go to text my photo and I select shot and then I open. Okay, before I copy a new layer, I go to layer and new and then I select layer and copy, or you can use shortcut key control letter J. Okay, and I close I. Okay, before I change color, I go to pen tool and I cut shot. Okay, then I cut shot. Okay everyone, please wait for I cut shot done for I change color. Wait me for 3 minutes. Okay, I finish for cut right shot and then I go to create a select. Okay, I go to select layer and then I go to all layer select. Oh sorry, I go to move tool and then I click shortcut key control enter for I create a select. Okay, and then I go to put a filter and then I go to select and then I click modify and then I select a filter. Everyone, you can use shortcut key shift plus F6 in the keyboard. Okay, and then I put 1.3. okay, and okay, and then I copy layer. I go to layer and I select new and then I select layer và copy, or you can use shortcut key control plus letter J. Okay everyone. Okay, and then I change color Okay, before I create a new layer, before I make a select in right side, okay, I use shortcut key and control and click on layer. Okay, and then I select create a new layer. Okay, and then I click a color. Okay, I go to gradient and pen bucket tool. Okay, and I click. Okay, and then I go to normal tool and I click color. Okay, everyone, and then I close select and I go to select and deselect. Okay, and then I open. Okay, everyone, now I finish for change color insert. Okay, I close before after. Okay, now I finish for change color insert, and thank you for watching my video about me. I sharing about how to change color insert in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you for subscribe my channel if you want to see more video about me. Okay, bye bye.